Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best car kit is probably one of the most important purchases you'll make for your vehicle, ensuring you're prepared for unexpected accidents and roadside emergencies. This comprehensive guide will help you navigate the world of car emergency first aid kits, exploring essential items, helpful features, and critical considerations to make an informed decision, ultimately equipping you with the confidence to handle any roadside mishap. Number 5. First Aid Only FAO 442 Kit. This comprehensive kit is your all-in-one solution for minor injuries. It's packed with everything you need, from bandages to antiseptic wipes, to keep you prepared for any situation. It features a soft-sided zippered case with clear pockets. This keeps everything neatly organized and easy to find when you need it most. With 2 separate layers and individual compartments, locating the supplies you need is quick and simple. No more fumbling around in an emergency. Small enough for your backpack, car, or desk drawer, it's perfect for home, work, or travel. It ensures you're always prepared, wherever you go. This is just one of many first aid solutions from First Aid Only. We offer a wide range of products to meet all your needs, from individual supplies to complete stations. This kit is HSA and FSA eligible, making it an affordable way to prioritize your safety and preparedness. Get yours today. What we like. It has separate layers with individual compartments for quick access. Its small size is perfect for cars, homes, or offices. If you need a versatile kit for various locations and situations, this is the one for you. What people say. This product comes with a lot of stuff all neatly bagged up at your disposal for when you need it the most. Everything works great. Good for everyday use on alkies and boo-boos. Has everything you need to handle a lot of jobs. The kit is well organized in a sturdy case that makes it easy to find what I need quickly. We appreciate the variety of supplies, including different sizes of adhesive bandages, gauze, and even some emergency tools like scissors and tweezers. It feels like a comprehensive solution for any emergency situation. It has everything you need. It comes in a small carry bag which was perfect. It wasn't bulky or took up any space we needed. Very functional. Number 4. Swiss Safe 2-in-1 First Aid Kit. It's built to last. This robust case protects your kit during outdoor adventures, road trips, or even at home, ensuring your supplies are always safe and secure. With 348 pieces, it's one of the most complete first aid kits available. You'll be prepared for a wide range of injuries and emergencies. Its organized design makes finding what you need a breeze. It's compact enough for any space, from a car to a backpack. A smaller kit with 32 essential supplies is included. It's perfect for everyday emergencies and easily fits in a purse or glove compartment. It opens from both the front and back. This unique design makes accessing supplies quick and easy, no matter the situation. This kit is eligible for flexible spending accounts and health savings accounts, making it even more affordable. This product contains DEHP, which is known to cause cancer and birth defects. For more information, visit www.p65warnings.ca.gov. What we like. This kit boasts a robust, impact-resistant hard case for ultimate protection. It's one of the most comprehensive kits available, and it even includes a bonus mini kit for added convenience. If you prioritize durability and comprehensiveness, this kit is your best bet. What people say. Got this for my family daycare, and it has everything you'd need for emergencies, especially with little kids running around. Should last over a year with the amount of items included. Small size is perfect while large enough to contain all needed for an emergency. A good starter first aid kit for our office. I added up more items to cover our needs in first aid, which is absolutely optional since I am a pharmacist. I put in more flexible fabric latex-free bandages of the most common size, which is never too much once you have a full office of people, single packs of triple antibiotic ointment, 3M Steri-Strip skin closures, more single packs of alcohol prep pads, and single packs of iodine swabs. Now everybody is happy, relieved, and have a peace of mind in case of emergency. The main kit looks presentable and long-lasting, convenient packaging, easy to reach for something inside or open it with two-way zipper, has also a manual which is good for those who are not healthcare professionals and not sure which thing is used for. The smaller one is just a palm-sized pouch which I put at the back of our office, which is useful for some basic first aid needs. Number 3. EVERLIT 250 Pieces Survival Kit. It's designed by Army veterans and survivalists, containing essential first aid supplies and survival tools for emergencies. Weighing only 2 pounds, it's perfect for your bug-out bag. This kit exceeds OSHA guidelines with more than enough medical supplies to treat a family in emergencies. It's ideal for camping, hiking, hunting, and other outdoor adventures. Made from 1000D water-resistant nylon, it has 3 large compartments and straps for organization. Its dimensions are 8 foot, x 6.5, x 5, and it attaches to any mall system. It includes essential survival gadgets like a mylar blanket, flashlight, paracord bracelet, flintstone, knife, and more. You'll be prepared for unexpected situations. From outdoor activities to home and office use, this kit is perfect for everyone. Its comprehensive contents ensure you're prepared anywhere, anytime. What we like. It comes in a durable, water-resistant mall pouch, perfect for attaching to backpacks or vehicles. It also includes essential survival tools beyond basic first aid supplies. If you're an outdoors enthusiast or prepper, this kit is ideal for you. What people say. The bag itself is well designed and constructed. It has straps for nearly any application or storage with super strong synthetic fabric, webbed belts, and Velcro. It should last a good long time. The items included are sensible and appear to be of high quality. Its 250-piece inventory may be overkill for my use, but it does cover almost any first aid necessity. Number 2. Surviveware 98 Pcs Survival Kit. It's packed with 98 high-quality supplies to handle minor injuries. You'll find everything you need for cuts, scrapes, and burns, all neatly organized. Finding what you need during an emergency is easy. The labeled compartments keep everything in its place, so there's no time wasted searching. It's made from tough, water-resistant material that can withstand anything. The durable construction ensures it's ready for any adventure. Take it anywhere with its removable straps and D-rings. It's perfect for cars, backpacks, boats, you name it. It was created by adventurers, for adventurers. You can have peace of mind knowing you're prepared for anything. This kit is eligible for use with your HSA or FSA accounts, making it a smart and practical purchase. What we like. It's made from high-quality, water-resistant material to protect contents. The labeled compartments allow for quick access to supplies. If you need a rugged and reliable kit for outdoor adventures, this is a great choice. What people say. Beautifully designed and packed comprehensive first aid kit suitable for home, office, or outdoor use. Everything as advertised, well organized, and it's shipped very quickly. Unlike some other kits, this one comes with a splint and quality accessories such as fabric scissors and tweezers. Bag is a MALS system with 2 handles, buckle strap, sturdy zippers. Everything is labeled and has its own compartment. There's also a little one to bring with you or put in your car. The labeled pockets are great, it keeps everything right where it needs to be. And makes taking inventory on items quick and easy. You know exactly what you have, or are running low on at a glance. Everything is accessible and clearly marked, which helps keep from digging around searching for things in an emergency. Number 1. M2 Basics 300-Piece First Aid Kit. Customers rave about this comprehensive kit. Its durable, organized bag ensures quick access to essential medical supplies for any emergency. It offers a reliable solution with essential supplies to handle injuries and emergencies at home, outdoors, or on the road. It's compact, organized, and always ready. This kit is great as a car, hiking, or travel first aid kit. It's perfect for being prepared for injuries or emergencies, no matter where you are. The well-organized design makes supplies easy to locate during emergencies. Everything is neatly arranged for quick and efficient use. It's small enough to take anywhere. It easily fits into cars, backpacks, or glove compartments, ensuring you're always prepared. What we like. This kit offers a wide variety of supplies in a compact and well-organized design. It's easy to find what you need quickly in an emergency. If you want a comprehensive kit that's easy to use, this is a perfect option. What people say. Whether it's for minor cuts, burns, or more serious emergencies, this kit has you covered. It's well organized, with clearly labeled compartments that make it easy to find what you need in a hurry. This one had a lot of great reviews from nurses and people who know more about these than I do, plus a ton of great items including scissors, alcohol wipes, gauze wrapping, band-aids, etc. Nice compact size and full of useful items. Love that it has everything in it for any size, cut or scrape. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.